If you guys like it when I go to cemeteries and graveyards, well, I got a gem for you today. I have to say, this is probably one of my favorite ones. And I'll tell you before we end out the video how we found it, but let me give you a look. I'll tell you the name of this cemetery in just a little bit. Oh man. Before we go in there and explore, let me show you the road we're on. As you can tell, we're on a back road, which is mine and Angie's favorite. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. And right there's Angie and Kitt, and her knee seems to be doing a lot better. So we're gonna go over here and get the name of the cemetery, then we're gonna go explore. One of the things Angie and I love to do, we love to hit back roads. We like to go places we've never been, which is hard to do anymore. And while we're out in the back roads, we look for things of interest, especially cemeteries and graveyards. I'm the type of person that loves these things. Okay, the Blair Family Cemetery, 1838. There she is. Let's go follow Angie and Kitt around and look at some of these old tombstones. Now, I believe by the first eyesight, when we first got to the graveyard, we got a drink of water, and I noticed there are some soldiers in this cemetery. Some soldiers, I believe, might even date back to the Civil War. Don't quote me. And here's one of the things I find fascinating. Let me just show you. See this wall? It goes all the way around. All the way around. Whoops, wrong way, Mike. All the way around. That is so beautiful. A zigzag in and out. In and out. And see if we can see some of these tombstones. Now, I am going to be looking for certain tombstones in the next many months to come. I want to look for tombstones that have lambs on it. Because, guys, I went fishing yesterday. I met a gentleman, he was one of my subscribers. He came up to me and says, "Are you One Bubba Mike One?" I said, "Yeah. Good to meet you. I'm one of your newest subscribers." His name is, oh my gosh, if he's watching this right now, he says, "Come on, Mike." His name's Drew. Yeah, see, I didn't forget your name. Almost. So look at some of the beauty while I tell you this next part. One of the things he does, he cleans these little lambs on top of tombstones. Yeah. He says if we see one of them little lambs on top of these tombstones, anywhere out here in Indiana, he more than likely probably cleaned it. Really nice guy. Hey, Angie. Right there's that basketball goal that we seen coming in. I'll show you guys. Yeah, on the way in, there's a basketball goal in the middle of nowhere. Of course, there is a residence over that way, so it probably belongs to them. Let me turn it around and show you. You can see it through the trees right there. I probably won't zoom in the post. Just try to take my word for it as a basketball goal. But wow, look at this. Let's go up to this one tombstone right about here. Right about here. I think it says 1907. I can't tell. But wow, look at this old rock wall. See, this is fascinating to me. It looks like there may be some. For a minute there, I thought this was a tombstone. Whoops, you guys can't see what I'm talking about right here. It's part of a tombstone. But wow, look at this wall. Hell, there's more of them right yonder there. Whew. It's a hot one today, guys. I'm here to tell you it is. And we're planning on going fishing right after, well, not exactly right after this, but pretty close. Kitt's looking at me. We're going to wait till it cools down a little bit at the evening times because fish ain't going to be biting right now anyway. So it's approximately 4:34. We won't be fishing more than likely for another 2 hours. Yeah, we're going to go back up to Versailles State Park. Holy smokes. Let me show you this angle right here. And I'm going to ask Angie what she thinks. Move the camera down a little bit. Oops, wrong way again, Mike. What do you think, Ange?
I like this place.
Isn't this place phenomenal? Holy smokes. Here's Mr. Kitt. Hey, Mr. Kitt, what you think, Bubby?
He thinks he can eat everything.
Of course he does. Wow. Out of all the places we go to, out of all the graveyard cemeteries we pass, these are the ones right here that I love the most because they're forgotten. It's the middle of nowhere, and everything around you is unique. Peaceful. You can hear the birds chirping. You have the whole graveyard to yourself. I imagine it's on about 1 acre, and just about every tombstone in here is old. I haven't seen anything above 1927. Wow. Now right there that says Blair. So that might be the family right here that started this whole cemetery. Let's go around and look at this a little bit. Let's pay our respects. Don't know them, but let's pay our respects. Correction, I see 2 newer graves from 87 and 86 right there. That's part of the Blair family right here. But wow, let me turn this around again. A 2001 you found?
Yeah, right behind you.
Yeah. I can see that, you know, the cemetery that my mom's buried in. Family Cemetery. People are still being buried there today. And we parked right there with a nice little place to pull off and park. Can't find that in a lot of cemeteries, let me tell you, or graveyards. There's another unique little graveyard we want to hit. Now the things we look for when we go to these cemeteries and graveyards is, first and foremost, is there a place to park the car? Number 2, is it privately owned? Are we allowed to go in there and do what I'm kind of doing now? Are they going to get a little upset with me? And the other one is it okay to take my dog in there? Now, I'm going to tell you, Kitt's never peed or pooped in a graveyard. And if he accidentally does poo, I will clean it up immediately. I will not leave that. I'm very respectful in that manner. But wow, let me show you on the other side of this wall. Look at that. Oh, nothing but woods. And here's this wall. Straight up as far as one can see. Wow.
Come on, Kitt.
Absolutely beautiful. Did you get enough looksies?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. We're going to head up towards the town of Versailles. We're probably both going to grab a sweet tea. And actually, we're going to go down the road a little bit more because we think there may be another cemetery down there, which we will get on video another day. Then we're going to head up Versailles and get a sweet tea at McDonald's. Take it back Providence Park and mess around there until it cools down. Now, right where I'm at now, it's cool because I'm in the shade. And if I can find, I'm going to look for a shade tree to fish too under. But guys, leave your comments down below. Isn't this one of the... What word can I get this? The most unique cemetery you guys ever seen? Isn't it? Isn't it really though? Oh, I would love to come through here in the middle of the night though. About 2 o'clock in the morning. Just walk through here with a flashlight. Ah, it'd be so dark right here because we're in the middle of nowhere. Then a cop would probably come on and say, "What the hell are you doing here?" I just wanted to come through the graveyard in the middle of the night, 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I'd be in trouble for that. All right, guys, till next time, thanks for watching the video. And leave your comments down below. And we're going to go see if we can scout out another one that will not be on this video. May not be for a couple weeks, that graveyard, as we're just scouting it out. All right, till next time, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later.